AI hardware, a groundbreaking supercore, is attracting well-spread attention. In the past, building an AI device that could listen, speak, and think requires significant investment and large development team. Now, with Tuya T5AI Core Development Kit, creating intelligent AIoT devices has become easier and more efficient than ever before. The T5AI Core is a high-performance development board designed for the AIoT era. Powered by a 480 MHz ARMv8-M Star architecture, AI processor with 3 integrated cores and built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth BLE 5.4, it delivers robust performance for a wide range of intelligent connectivity scenarios. For audio, the T5AI Core comes equipped with a built-in microphones and speaker, along with a dedicated speaker feedback channel for professional AEC performance, ensuring clear and natural voice interactions. The device supports both Type-C and 3.7 lithium battery dual power inputs, making it adaptable for both stationary and mobile use cases. In terms of interface design, the T5AI Core follows a philosophy of openness and simplicity. Tuya's engineering team retained only the most essential models, power, audio, and flashing, while fully exposing GPIO, UART, SPI, I2C, and other interface through 44-pin headers. Even more impressively, it supports USB host functionality, allowing connection to USB camera, microphone array, or even LiDAR sensor, providing virtually unlimited expandability. The T5AI Core is more than just hardware, it's a gateway to open ecosystem. Built on a Tuya open source framework, developers can access its source code on GitHub, explore extensive tutorials and documentation, and elaborate with a global developer community. This open framework simplifies AI hardware development, making it as intuitive and creative as built with Lego bricks. With its powerful performance and open ecosystem, the T5AI Core can be applied across diverse fields, from smart voice assistant and AI companion robots to intelligent home control system. Whether you are an individual creator or part of the professional team, it enables rapid innovations from concept to reality. The T5AI Core is not just a development board, it's the super heart of AIoT innovation. Empower every developer to build an AI hardware with ease. In the future, we will showcase more creative and practical demos based on the T5AI Core. Stay tuned to our channel to explore the limitless possibilities of AI hardware creation. And if you are excited about innovation as we are, come to join our global Discord community, where makers, coders, and creators build the future together. And don't miss out, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and stay tuned for the next particle session. See you next time!